AI will take all our jobs in future. No. If you want to read any country's future business plan, follow the resources they are securing. The next global struggle may not fight over oil, but over rocks. Yes, lithium, copper, rare earth, cobalt. These are called critical minerals. They are powering almost everything that is shaping our future: electric vehicles, solar panels, batteries, even defense systems. Clean energy isn't only about the sunlight and wind, it runs on mind mineral. The real story: world doesn't control these minerals equally. This is why nations are rushing to secure lithium in South America, cobalt in Africa, copper in Chile, and rare earth supply in China. For example, if the country is chasing lithium, they are going for the electric field. EV, if they are going for rare earth, then the strong possibility they are preparing for advanced technology defense system. In a way, resources can be strong clue to understand what is country's future business plan.